Hey everyone, Dean here. Very excited today to be able to show you all the new Nisi V7 Filter Holder kit. Now I will be doing a full review on this today. I'm just going to do an unboxing and I'll show you what you get in the kit and I'll run through the new features, just showing you what they have updated and improved over the existing V6 kit. Okay, let's unbox and have a look. Okay, so here it is, the new V7 from Nisi. Now this is the 100mm filter holder system. It's the most common one, fits most cameras, from DSLRs through to mirrorless and medium format cameras as well. So as far as the kit goes, it's very similar. Well, it's pretty much the same as the V6 kit as far as components. So you get your 3 step rings, a 67, a 72 and a 77, plus you get the 82mm main ring. So that allows you with this kit to fit 4 different size lenses. If you have a lens that doesn't happen to be one of these, then you just purchase yourself a step ring. And then we also have the protective cap. We have, as I said, the 82mm main ring. We have the main holder. And then we have the polarizer, the circular polarizer. Now I'll just run through the 3 things that are different, what they have updated and improved. So this is the V6 holder here. So the first thing is you'll notice the holder has a different locking and clip mechanism. So on the V6 we had our release pin down here, and then we had a locking pin here that locked the holder into whatever position we wanted. So they've gone away with the 2 pins and they now just have the 1. So we've got our release lever here. Actually, I'll do it that way, you'll be able to see on the writing there. So release lever there, and then if we want to lock it into place, then we just screw that wheel out and that will lock it here. So I think just straight up, that's a great improvement. This system worked well, but if you weren't using it all the time, sometimes you sort of forgot which was which. So it's eliminated a few little hassles and problems there. So I really like that. That's a great improvement there. The other main thing they have changed is the way the polarizer fits onto the 82mm main ring. Now on the V6 system and the V5 and the V5 Pro, it screws in here. So we hold our locking wheels and we just unscrew that, and the polarizer screws on and off. And that was fine, I didn't mind that system, it worked well for me. Now with the V7, what they've done is it's a bayonet system, so it's very similar to how you put a lens hood on. So we've got 3 markings on here, and we've got 3 markings on the polarizer, and then you simply line those up, quarter turn clockwise, and you do have to hold the wheels to stop the inner part turning, and then that is on. So that polarizer is now on. That's great. I think that's a great improvement there. And then to get it off, we just quarter turn off and out it comes. So I'll just put that on again. So just put it in, quarter turn. It's not even a quarter turn, it's just turn it clockwise a little bit, and then that locks in. So I think for people that are taking the polarizer on and off quite often, then that will be a big advantage, certainly a lot quicker and easier to put on, and it's sort of quite obvious, you know, that it's on, and easy to get off. So the third thing they have changed is they've actually changed the polarizer. So they've gone to what they're calling a true color polarizer. So most polarizers will add a slightly warm tone to your image. They add a little bit of yellow. So Nisi have brought out the true color, and yeah, it'll be good to try it out actually and compare it to the landscape version. So it'll basically give you correct color, you know, as true as what it can be. And the reasoning behind that is that then it gives you a great foundation and a great base to start your editing off. You don't have any sort of any color shifts at all. The V6 version that was released with the landscape polarizer, so that had slightly more contrast and slightly more saturation. And it was fine, I really liked it. And they are talking about later on bringing a version of that out that will work on this system here. Now, I'm just going to try this cap, just see whether the cap is the same. Yeah, so the cap is the same with the V6 and the V7. And the other thing they haven't changed is the clip system. So it remains the same as the V6. So there was a big improvement from the V5 Pro. They introduced this new clip system in the V6 version, and they've continued it through to the V7, which is great because it works perfect. And what it does is it grips the outer edge of the filter instead of clamping onto the filter, and it just makes it easier for, you know, the filters sliding in and out. So I'm very happy that they've continued with that system because it works really well. Okay, well that's it. That's the new V7, and you also, the same as the V6, you will get one of these pouches that holds everything in there. So it's got a place for your step rings, your holder, and your polarizer can stay in there. This doesn't fit filters, so it's not designed to take filters. It's purely to take the holder. And of course that has a Velcro section on the back that can clip onto your tripod leg, which is what I do with mine. I find it really handy. So that stayed the same. There's also that there. I'm guessing if you wanted to use it on a belt buckle, you could do that as well. So there we go, folks. That is the new 100mm filter holder system from Nisi. Looks fantastic. Quality is, you know, Nisi quality is always up there, so that hasn't changed. We've got 3 new improvements. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm going to take this out and start shooting with this, and as soon as I've had a bit of time with it, I'll do a full review. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, just leave a comment below and I will answer it for you. Thanks, and I'll catch you later. Ciao. Oh, cat.